Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to make one Meenakari painting. And for Meenakari painting, we need a small canvas board. We need 3D liners and acrylic paints, along with 000 number brush and 4 number flat brush. We will keep some water and some rugs with us. So let's start. So welcome to Vandana's art class. First step, take any brown color in your palette. Very little we need, and we will give a base coat here. Then we can make it little watery. Then we'll give a base coat here. This is Indian red or brown color. Whichever brown you have, please use. Now I have taken yellow color, any yellow, whichever yellow you have. Just give a coat on the top of brown, just a thin coat. So look at my hand. See, this is the back part. I'm making drops, pearl drops. So I have taken gold color, and third coating is gold color. And if we have liner, we'll give one more coating with liner. This brown color will give the impression of shadow, as if jewelry is kept there. Now we will take the gold color. Take the color on the tip of the brush like this and apply on the top of this. So it will give you a 3D effect. Normally this is done with liner, or you can make the gold color paste and fill it in a plastic, make the cone like we make for mehndi. So now I'm using blue color. I have used cerulean blue to make the body of peacock. So now we are taking our liner and with liner do drops here. Here if you don't have liner, then you can use the dotting tool or the back side of the brush or the toothpick and make fine dots so that they will look like gold dots. Now dots on the top of this part. Now here, this is the gold part. Now we will use the Fevicol or whatever you have. And very quickly we will take the stones. So in the center, I'm going to use this round one. Whatever stone you have, you can mix with the glue. So for this part, whichever stones you have, you can use. Now here I'm pasting one more red color stone. इसके बाद जो है यहाँ पर ये इसका क्राउन है, तो क्राउन में मैं लाइनें बना रही हूँ और फिर हम इसमें डॉट्स देंगे, 3 लाइन्स या 5 लाइन्स जितनी आप बनाना चाहें. Base we have given, dots are not so close. So this is the crown. Now we'll come to this side and again I will do the dot work here. We can take a stone and paste it in place of eye. Now we will take white paint and we'll make the body of the peacock. So before that we have to put some stones there. With brush also we can make the dots. Look at my hand. It's easy to make the dots with brush. Now I'm going to paint this part. Okay, now I'm going to take white color with my dotting tool. Otherwise, we can use the back side of the brush or we can use this thin brush also. Okay, and we will make the dots. So very thin dots. Now let's paste the stones this side, and if we want we can paste colored stones also. I have colored stones also, or we can paste same golden stones. So it's your wish what you want to paste. I'm going to do with red color ones. Now next layer we'll draw with the gold color. We'll draw the outline and then we'll make the dots. So we can do the outline. Like this we have to make this part also. So now we will come to this end. Now glue. Second dot on the white dot. Then take very thin brush and take black color and give a line so that it will give the reflection type thing. Maybe black or dark brown like this.
So friends, this piece is done. If you want to keep white base, then please take white color, pearl white, and paint everywhere. And black outline will enhance the beauty of your painting. You can give here green or white or any other color pearls.
I hope you like the tutorial and my Meenakari necklace. Please try making it and send me the pictures. Thank you. Dhanyavad.